Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Tonight we're at Epcot because we have a show coming back, Epcot Forever. Come on in, check it out. Okay guys, that's right, Epcot Forever, is that what it is? Okay, if you're watching this clip of this is the third time I've tried to do this. It's so confusing. I'm not even joking.
Epcot Forever is back.
Epcot Forever is back. It is replacing Harmonious.
Yes, which Harmonious replaced Epcot Forever.
That's right. Okay, that's why this has taken me 3 times to do. So you got that so far. And Harmonious was running for the 50th anniversary.
Yeah.
And Roberta, as you just said, it replaced Epcot Forever, which debuted actually in 2019, so it wasn't around for very long.
Correct.
But it's back tonight. We're here.
Temporary, even though it's Epcot Forever.
Temporarily back.
Yes.
Even though it is Epcot Forever. You guys following so far, right?
Yeah.
There'll be a new show coming this fall.
Correct.
Over in the, replacing Epcot Forever.
Yes.
Roberta, my anticipation is the new show will probably come out around when the new area of Epcot opens. I'm just thinking that makes sense, right?
Yes.
So we'll go on a limb and say I would figure fall along with the new land.
Yes.
So I think we got it covered, guys. A little confusing, but anyway, the point is Epcot Forever is back tonight. We're going to show you some clips of it. And actually, this is the first time we've seen the show.
Yeah,
fully.
we never
Even though we've lived down here, we've been to the park many times when the show was going on. We're usually either heading out or we just never stop to watch the whole thing.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to see it.
Yeah.
The last show, people have some mixed opinions about, but it's really the only one I saw fully. I thought it was all right, but I guess a lot of people say, it's not as good as this one. But it's just opinions, right? Everybody, is entitled to their opinion. I'll watch it tonight. We'll watch it. We'll see if we like it better or not. Yeah. We'll give some opinions. We'll try to drop a full video as well. On this vlog here, we'll put some clips. But if you're interested, check out the description of this.
We're gonna try to release a full.
Yeah, if I can get through it without getting like copyrights and stuff, and we can put it out there, we'll see if we can. So check the description of the video for that. And other than that,
today is the first day back of Happily Ever After, which we already covered on a Castman Bridge.
That's right. And that is replacing the fireworks show at Magic Kingdom that was running during the 50th. And yes, thank you. I let Roberta cover all the names because I'm already, Epcot Forever. I got that one in my head now. I think we covered it pretty good.
Yeah.
But that being said, guys, you can see not crazy crowds, but I would imagine there'll be a lot of people tonight. But it is the same night that Happily Ever After is coming back, so there could be a lot of people over at Magic Kingdom. Either way, we will drop a link, Roberta, to... Oh, look at guys. You never have to worry about any popcorn. Nobody has to clean up popcorn. We have some workers here. And no, it's not Donald Duck, guys. I know that was a bad joke, but it's okay. But as I was saying, we'll see how the crowd is. We'll talk a little bit before the show. We'll give you an update on the crowds. I got a feeling it will be busy, but not as busy as is in Magic Kingdom tonight.
Yeah.
It's an hour before. I can tell you, there's not many people here right now. I mean, there's not a lot of people, but it's an hour before. And don't forget, you can go all the way around the showcase. I think this is probably, kind of a popular area because you're kind of facing everything out there. But those barges are definitely still out there and everything is still out in the middle. So I don't know if those are going to be coming out. I'm not sure. Like I said, things change so much at Epcot or at Disney in general. Who knows what's going to happen. But anyway, I do see the boats out there and they're getting some stuff ready. So that's good. So anyway, guys, not much of a crowd yet. And like I said, we'll keep you updated and we'll get on with the show here shortly. We're getting ready for Epcot Forever. Now it's busy here. I know you can't see, but it got very busy. So we're getting ready for the show. Here it comes.
One little spark of inspiration
We call it Epcot.
is at the heart of all creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spark lights up for May peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
Epcot is and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
Hey Jake,
Yeah,
what'd you think of Epcot Forever?
I really liked it. What I mainly liked was the bunch of fireworks at the end of the show.
Yeah, the grand finale? I agree,
Yeah.
Jake. I think the show, okay, if you're coming to Epcot, this is better than Harmonious in my opinion, for sure.
Yeah.
I'm glad this show's back, that I have Epcot Forever, which today's the first time I got to see the whole show through. It's a nice show. If you're familiar with the park, the show kind of based upon some of the attractions here and stuff, so you kind of, oh yeah, that's Soarin', oh, that's Spaceship Earth, so it's really a lot of history of
Figment,
Epcot.
a lot of figment.
Figment, I really liked it. One thing to know about the fireworks shows at Disney World, they're all very different from each other. Happily Ever After at the Magic Kingdom, total different type of show. This one, a little bit more low-key. Definitely worth it though if you're here on vacation, or if you're like me locally, at least watch it one time, and I think you're gonna like it. Roberta, what did you think? Come on over.
I love the fireworks. Fireworks, because that's
Yeah,
the traditional.
The fireworks alone were really, really
Right,
good.
yes. It does miss the connection.
It's not as emotional. That's why
It missed the Disney emotion.
That's why I was saying all the shows are a lot different than each other.
Well, the fireworks itself, it's gorgeous.
Oh, the fireworks are
It
great.
is gorgeous.
And I don't think you necessarily for this show have to be where we were. Anywhere around here, because it's mainly, to me, it's a fireworks show.
Correct.
There's not any kind of graphics or anything.
Yeah.
So anywhere around the World Showcase, you should be okay.
And with all respect to Harmonious, I still prefer.
I can see now why people were like, "Hey, what are you doing to us here?" You know.
Epcot Forever was.
We love our friends on Medling World. We love our photo bombers. We love them. I think that kind of wraps it up.
Yeah.
I was very happy to come and watch it tonight. First night. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe if you haven't yet. And I want to say thank you to every single person who has subscribed to our channel. That means everything to us. And we met some friends, actually.
Yeah.
Shout out to my buddy I just met tonight, Vern, man. By the way,
Nice
he's
to
got...
meet you guys.
And Vern, you have an awesome arcade, dude. All right, guys. Please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least,